Hi everyone, my name is Shomik Islam. Today I'm gonna solve a problem called first digit in Codeforces. There's going to be a line of input and a line of output, as simple as that. So we got the information.
One input and one output.
Input is going to be a given number x, and we have to print even or odd. If x is even, then even, or else it's odd. So
If even, we print even. Else, we print odd.
now, for example, this number 4569, the first digit of this number is 4, and the second digit, third digit, this doesn't matter since the first digit is what we are looking for. The only line containing number x, that's the input and that's the output. Now, how to get the first digit? So we know we will have to do this if else function, but how do we get the first digit? The simplest system for that is to calculate how much digit there is first of all. So for x, imagine the x is 4569. They told me the number is going to be greater than 999, meaning it's going to be 10002, smaller than quadruple nine, this, which means there's going to be only 4-digit number. So we don't have to calculate how many number there is. We know that there's only going to be 4-digit numbers. Now, to get the first digit of any number, we have to divide that number by how many number there is after that digit. So imagine for this number 4569, there's 4, for which we will use 1, and there's 3 digit after that, so we'll use 0. What this does is that how much time does 1000 gets divided by for this. Since we'll do the calculation in integer, we'll get the value 4. That's how much time 1000 can be multiplied before crossing this whole number. So 4 is the first number. So for the number 3569, 3569, we divide it by 1 for 3, and then 0 0 0 for this 3 number. What that does is that 1000 times 3 is equals to 3000, and if we do it for 4 times, it goes to 4000. We need to go at most 3 times until we reach this number. So what this does is that we get from this function is 3. That is the number, that is the exact first digit of this problem. So what we have to do for getting any first digit from any number, we have to divide by a certain number. But what is that certain number going to be? For instance, if a number is 463453346, we'll have to take exactly as many digits there are. So for this case, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so there's going to be 6 number, but it's going to be, first one's going to be 1 and the other 5 are going to be zeros. What that does is calculates what is the first digit. I hope everyone got that. Now if we got the number for this, we got the 4 is, now we have to check whether 4 is even or not. To check whether it is even or not, we know that a number is even if it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. So we can just calculate it using the modulo operator. What this does is calculates how much remainder there is. If any number is divisible by any other number, then their modulo will be 0. So if it is modulo by 0, then it is even, else it is odd. I hope everyone got that. Now let's just solve this problem. First of all, let's create a file name first digit .c. This is a simple C program. First of all, we need to take the input, and since it is only 4-digit input, we can use integer n, or we can take x, as they said. X, that's the input. Now take it as input. My bad. Now we got the number, which is the input x. We'll have to calculate the first digit. So let's just create another variable called first digit. First digit is going to be since the as I told before, since this problem only requires for us to check if for only 4-digit numbers, so we have to divide it by 1000. So that's the input divided by 1000. 1 for 4, and then other 3 zeros for the other 3 digits. Okay, now we got the first digit. Now let's check if the first digit is even or not. First digit, my bad, first digit mod 2 is equal 0. If that is true, first digit mod 2 equals to 0, we print even, which is going to be in uppercase letter as they've said so. Else it's going to be odd. My bad, I didn't take put end while taking the input. Now let's run the program again. 4569. We got even since the first number is even. Let's do it again. 3569. We got odd. Yeah, guys, that's how we solve this problem. Hope everyone understood this.